Hey guys, it's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 23R powered with a Mercury 225 DTS. This one does have a silver exterior with a smoky granite lower accent. Also has the carbon interior with a granite accent. This one is of course, a full tri-tune. It's got the Simrad dash in it. It's got the deluxe swing back in it. Show you around right here and then we'll jump on board and take a look. It's your little rear facing speakers right here. If you're lounging out in the water, just relaxing. As you can see, the color here is silver and smoky granite. Climb aboard and take a look real quick. It does got the deluxe swing back, so your two cushions here and here pop up and you can sit forward facing, and of course the swing back here will flip back so you have seating inside the boat. It does have the co-captain's lounge in it, so it's additional seating over there on the port side. The table is removable, so you can take it up and stow it away up under the console. Of course, your side entry gate right here, forward lounge port. You also do have a speaker down there with a phone charger on both sides. Nice starboard lounge, fold down armrest on both sides here and here. Battery charger, phone charger right there, so wireless. This one is also equipped with the new glass windscreen that Bennington offers. Storage under your console. Got the Simrad Go 9 on it. Got all your interior lights, LED lights. Got a C-deck mat on the helm, elevated helm. It's the Mercury DTS console side binnacle. It does have a wireless charger there for your phone. Nice captain's chair, of course. Again, this is a 2023 Bennington 23R swingback, powered with a Mercury 225 DTS, located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005.